Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today is the Galaxy Note 9's launch, and Samsung is officially launching Fortnite exclusively to some select Galaxy devices, which includes the Galaxy S8. So you can go ahead and download it now. You can go to the Galaxy App Store, you'll see a banner somewhere here. Yep, there you go, Fortnite. You can see we can go to more details and show you guys more information about the what you need to know. So you go to more details, you can see you go to description, you can see models Galaxy S7, S8, S9, Note 8, Note 9, which is currently actually being launched now, and the Tab S3 and Tab S4 supports this game. So if you have one of all these devices or one of it, you can go ahead and install it. So if you're done installing it, go ahead and open it, and you'll be opening the installer, which you will then install the game. So that's basically it. You can just launch it, and I already installed the game, but still needs to download some files though. So yeah, so 1 gigs, so it takes some time. You can see Fortnite. So I can't wait to test it out on the Galaxy S8. So hopefully guys, you guys enjoyed. This is a quick video on how to get the Fortnite game. It's now available to download in the Galaxy App Store, so it's not on the Play Store. Take this thing on that. It's in the Galaxy App Store. So it's just restricted now to Samsung devices, unfortunately. So if you are using a non-Samsung device, you have to wait. Right now, it's only exclusive to some select Galaxy devices. So yep, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.